Hello everyone, my channel Error Solution. Today I am discussing part 53. Display the dashboard total count is table in Laravel 12. Tuition classes in Laravel 12, and this is my official website www.errorsolutioncode.com. Contact for website related services +919941599815. Let's start this video. First of all, my jump server already started Apache and MySQL, and this is already run localhost in this Laravel_12, and this is a database. This is a admin panel is open, and this project is available, and this project inside this available, and this is a my localhost PSP admin already run, and this is a table is a database table or stop table is available, and this table inside this count is a shown, and this is a static value is available. This is a record is a show if HTTP controller, this is a dashboard, and this super admin is this is a super admin is a login. Inside this is a die implementation, and this save, and successfully this is a blank. Successfully this is a blank is a working fine. Let's save file and refresh this page. Working fine. This is a super admin. Inside this is a dashboard, resource view, super admin, and this is a dashboard, and this is all static is available. First of all, this is a total user, this total user, this total student, and this is all static value is available. Previous video, please check this last is attendance. This is all static. Let's step by step. Dynamic is a implementation. This video is a dynamic implementation. Let's click. First of all, this is a total user. This total user is available, only one user is available, so this is only one is a show, but this is a static value is a show. Inside this is a 0, so this is a static value is a show, this is a 0, not a dynamic. Let's step by step. Dynamic is a implementation. First of all, this function is open. Inside this is a user, this is a user table. Click this user. Inside this is only one user is available. This is a 0 miss user, so this is only the same here. This is a 1 is a show. Let's same name $data total user is equal to, this is the same name is a copy where this is role, and this is only 0 count, and this is a data is only passed. This is already passed. Same name copy. The 0 is only available. This is only available 1. This is a paste here. Successfully paste and refresh this page. Successfully 1 is available. Good working. Let's same name is a, this is a name is a 0. So let's 2 is available. This is a 2. So this, let's click this, refresh this page. 100% is a 2, and this click this successfully. This is a 2 is a show. Good working. This is a 2. Let's inside this database is only refresh this page, and this is a 1, and this refresh this page and click this, only 1 is available. Next is available. This is a student is a 4 is available, and dashboard click this, and this is a student is a 4. Let's click this student, and this is available 4, and this is a model name is a student model. This is a model inside this student model. In this table, same name copy. Inside this is a include use app model and paste here. Save name copy $data get total user is equal to count, and this is a remove this model. Save file. Let's copy this name copy, and inside this is a paste here. This is a student. Inside this static is a remove, and this is new implementation, paste here. Save file and close this and refresh this page. 100% pure is a show. Good working. This is a 4. Good working. This 4 is available. This is clickable. Next is a teacher. In this is a static value is a show this teacher. Teacher means teacher table is available. Yes, of course available this teacher. teacher inside this is a 2 teacher is available. So let's check this teacher. This is a 2 teacher, and this model is open, this teacher model, this component same name teacher, in this copy this inside this is a use app model, paste here teacher. Let's same name copy $data is equal to paste count save file. Let's the same name copy total and paste here, successfully paste. Let's copy this name inside this is a remove, paste here, successfully paste, and refresh this page and working fine. This is a 2, 100% is a 2 is a show, good working 2. Next is a subject. Let's check this subject is a successfully, this is a subject not a teacher not a teacher. Let this teacher is a complete working fine. This is a 2 teacher is available. Next is a subject. Let subject inside this is a 2 is available. So let's check this subject. Subject is available, subject model. Let's model is open and subject model. The same name subject inside the same name copy inside this is use app model, paste here $data total is equal to paste here count save file. Let's copy this name copy and inside this implementation subject, paste here subject working fine. Let's refresh this page and this is a 2 subject is available. So let's successfully 2. Let's class is a select, let's subject is a working fine, this return redirect. Let's class in this is a refresh this, click this, and this is a 3 is available, this class tab. That this class is available successfully, class is a 3 is available. So let's same name class, and this is a copy this model copy inside this include use app model, paste here. Let's same name $data pass here is equal to pass, and this is a count and this is a total. Same name copy this copy and inside this is a paste here class, and this is a dynamic set, paste here save file and refresh this page working fine, this 3. So let's check this dashboard, this is a 3 is available. Let's environment is this 20 and inside this is a 2. So let's 2 is a environment. Enrollment is available, this click this 2. So this 2 is available too, same name copy enrollment, and this is a model is a enrollment is available. Let's same name copy, this is a include use app model, paste here. Let's same name copy $data total, paste here count save file. Let's copy this name inside this enrollment is a remove, and inside this is a set, paste here save file and refresh this page, and this 2 is available. So let's 2 is available. Let's 200 is a payment is a check this payment, and this is a 2 is available payment. Let's same name is a copy payment. Let's payment check this payment, this 2 is available. Let's same name copy and payment is available. Let's same name copy payment. Inside this is a use app model, paste here. This same name copy $data is equal to paste here and count save file. Let's $total total payment and this is my spelling mistake. Total same name copy, enrollment is a sent, this is a enrollment is a total sent, successfully sent, and this payment is a set, and this is the same name is a total payment. Save file. Working fine. This is a good working. It's working fine 3 and 4 is a working fine. This 2 is available. Less payment is a 2. This is working good. This attendance is available. First of all, this is my YouTube channel. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Follow all social media link, Facebook, Instagram and GitHub. And any doubt, so please contact this my official website. Inside this my contact number, and this is official website error solution code. We are held 12/24/7 WhatsApp, Telegram and Skype. I am always anytime available. Please contact this side. All good. Let's step by step. This is the last is a set. This is attendance. Attendance is available too. So this is a 2 attendance. Same name is open. Attendance table. First table is attendance table. A means first letter is A. 2 record is available. Attendance, this model inside this include attendance table, same name copy, and this is inside this $data, paste here, and this same name copy, inside this use app model and paste here, and this is a count total attendance, same name copy, inside this is the last is the implementation and only 2 is a show, $paste here, save file, working fine. Let's refresh this page, and this is a 2 is a 100% is a show, good working. This is a 2. Let's inside this total payment is a 2 is available. Less attendance is a 2, and less new attendance is the implementation new attendance, and this is LX, and this 20 date is a set, and this is a present, and successfully this is a 3 is available 3. So 100% inside this 3 is a show. Less enrollment maintenance inside this 2. Less new clear add, and this is a click this add, and this is a date is a select and submit. Successfully 3 record is available. The 100% is a 3 record is a show, good working. Inside this is a 100% attendance is a 3 is a, and enrollment inside this 3 is available. Let's inside this is a class is a, inside this is a 1 class is again this is a add, this is a 1 class is a add, and this is a set and submit. Successfully 4 classes available. So let's display is a 4 classes a show. This is all dynamic is available. Let's subject is a implementation, add new subject, Marathi level, and subject is a Marathi is a add, and this is available. This is a 3 record. So this subject is a 3 is available. All good. Inside this is a subject. Let's check this class is available. This is a class is add, and subject is available subject. All good. This is a 4th is a subject is a this is okay. Sorry, this is a 4th is available subject. All good is a working. This is a dynamic all implementation. Please step by step write down. First of all, this is all model is a include, and this is all inside this is a include this count, and this is a step by step write down all successfully write down. This is a video is done. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.